Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's recipe, I'm gonna be doing some spinach rice with pigtails. And for this recipe, you're gonna need some rice. I have 2 cups of parboiled rice here, the brown rice. You can use any type of rice that you prefer. I just prefer parboiled rice. Half of an onion and 4 cloves of garlic. I have 1 diced carrot, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a heaping tablespoon of my green seasoning, 2 pimento peppers, and a small piece of a green sweet pepper, thyme, parsley, and I also have some green onions in there, or scallions, salted pigtails, which I boiled the salt out, and I cut them up into like 1 to 2 inch pieces, 2 cups of coconut milk, and here I have the dasheen bush, the leaf of the dasheen. Let me show you what one of the leaves look like. So in the Southern Caribbean, we tend to use more of the dasheen leaf. Here, that's the back. We tend to use the dasheen leaf for this, or you can use the spinach, the Jamaican spinach or callaloo for this recipe as well. And let's get right into the recipe. So as usual with any Caribbean dish, you always have your base of onion and garlic. Just gonna let that sweat down. So next I'm gonna add my peppers. About 2 minutes. Next I'll be putting in my green seasoning. And I'll have the recipe for the green seasoning in the description box. And now I'm going to add my carrots in. Okay, now goes in my green seasoning. Just layer in my flavors. Leave it in for about 1.5 minutes. Okay. Now I'm adding in my pig's tail. Just so that flavor can be all the way incorporated into my seasonings. And with that, I'm adding my black pepper. Now some people add pumpkin to theirs, but I don't have any pumpkin, so I'm not adding it. So now I'm adding the callaloo, spinach, or Bhagi, however you want to refer to it as. So it has been washed already, and don't mind how it looks like a lot because it's going to pretty much deteriorate. So I'm gonna leave it for about 4 to 5 minutes, and I'll be right back. So as you notice, I didn't add any salt because the pigtail is still salty, a bit salty. So I'm gonna check at the end to see if I need any salt. And now I'm gonna add my rice. Okay, look at this beautiful, beautiful burst of colors in here. So I just want the rice to get that taste directly from the pig's tail. So I'm just going to leave it in here for about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes before I add the coconut milk. Okay, now in true Caribbean style, in with the coconut milk. I'm gonna add about an additional 1 cup of water to that same container that had the coconut milk. Okay, that's it right there. I'm gonna allow it to start boiling. And then I'm gonna taste for salt and add accordingly. Okay, you still have a bit of water left. The rice is almost completely cooked, so I'm just gonna place some foil so that it can steam and the water can evaporate.